Telangana's farmers are the soul of the state. Their sweat and toil feed our people, sustain our economy, and uphold our tradition. It is the government's moral duty to support, uplift, and empower them. Telangana has emerged as the highest paddy producer in the country, with a record of 260 lakh metric tons of production. This is a testament of the resilience and dedication of our farmers, and this government stands shoulder to shoulder with them. To ensure financial security, my government has implemented a rupees 2 lakh crop loan waiver benefiting 25.35 lakh farmers, amounting to 20,616.89 crore. This is not assistance. It is a justice and a reflection of the time-bound implementation of the commitments of my government. Further, under the Raitu Bharosa scheme, direct financial assistance has been enhanced to rupees 12,000 per acre per year, allowing farmers to invest in modern techniques, better seeds, and improved irrigation. In an unprecedented move, the government has support to landless agricultural labourers under the Indira Atmiya Bharosa scheme, providing 12,000 per annum to families who work tirelessly in the fields. A total of 566 Raitu Vedikas have been established, equipped with state-of-the-art audiovisual media. The Raitu Nestam initiative is now fully operational in all 532 rural mandals, providing a dynamic platform for farmers, scientists and administrators to engage in structured video conferencing. This initiative facilitates seamless knowledge sharing, fosters collaboration and significantly contributes to agricultural advancement and rural empowerment. A bonus of rupees 500 per quintal for Sanakaram paddy, amounting to 1,206.44 crore, has been released to farmers to ensure fair pricing and income security for farmers who produce the varieties of paddy that our people consume. As a major step towards strengthening the agricultural sector, my government has established the Telangana Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Commission. This commission will serve as a dedicated body to address farmer concerns, develop sustainable policies, and ensure that Telangana's agricultural sector remains resilient and future ready. By integrating scientific research, modern technology, and farmer-centric initiatives, this commission will play a pivotal role in securing long-term prosperity for our farmers. Through persistent and strategic efforts, my government has effectively presented its stance before the Krishna Water Tribunal to ensuring the protection of Telangana's rightful share of Krishna River water. My government's decisive action underscores our commitment to safeguarding the state's interest and securing its water resources for future generations. My government's unwavering commitment to agriculture will continue through sustained investments in irrigation, scientific advancements, and market linkages, ensuring that Telangana's farmers not only survive but thrive. Empowering women, the strength of Telangana. No society can claim progress unless its women are empowered, protected, and given equal opportunities. Telangana recognizes the transformative power of women, and my government is committed to breaking barriers and unlocking new opportunities. The Mahalakshmi scheme has been a game changer, providing 149.63 crore free bus trips for women, saving them 5005.95 crore in travel costs. This initiative is not just about mobility. It is about freedom, dignity, and financial empowerment. Through the recently approved Indira Mahila Shakti Mission policy, the government is creating 1 crore women entrepreneurs, with 1 lakh crore financial assistance target. Women-led self-help groups, SSGs, have been entrusted with managing Mahila Shakti canteens, school uniform production and skill training programs. Additionally, my government is implementing measures like the Gruha Jyoti scheme, providing free electricity for families consuming up to 200 units, benefiting 50 lakh poor families. Further, government has subsidized LPG cylinders with rupees 500, benefiting 43 lakh families, and 433.2 crore subsidy has been given under the scheme to ease the financial burden of poor households. In a landmark initiative, Telangana has allocated 1,000 megawatt solar power project exclusively for women-led SSGs, making them key players in the renewable energy sector.